hot off wheels here. Hope you're doing well. We're going to this Dollar Tree. See what we can find for some Hot Wheels, if anything. Let's see. Never tell which side of the store. I think it's right over here. Let me circle back around. There's some people on the aisle. Hopefully they'll move soon. And with only 3 or 4 cars on the actual pegs, I quit recording at this point. I didn't really think there was anything worth showing you. I thought it was just going to be another bust. However, I started walking around the store after I quit recording just to see what else I might be able to find. Sometimes I find some Hot Wheels in places. However, I came across a sweet older lady, an employee, and asked her if, if they had any Hot Wheels. They let her know they were really, really low. I'd be more than glad to stock and condition for you. She's like, yeah, sure, follow me. And so I'm thinking she's going to take me to some little sidekick side panel or one of these little shelf displays like this. She takes me right outside their stockroom floor where they have 3 or 4 cases, and she cracks open I think 3 of the 4 cases for me, and then I call my wife in for backup, and that's more or less where we begin. We've got 4 cases of she just opened up for me, so we're gonna go through it. We're gonna bring one at a time over there to the we're gonna bring over one at a time to the aisle and hang them for her.
Thank you.
Hey, Mommy.
Hey, Ray.
Sorry.
Careful, Reagan.
Get over here. Huh? Asked. There's 4 more boxes. 3 or 4 more. Yeah.
Granny, I found the new toothbrushes for your house.
I don't know. I think it's a Q case, but I'm not really sure. Oh, dude.
Oh my god.
It has a super. Wow.
Oh my gosh.
Hold that. Put that aside. That's where we would. You wanna?
Get the other 3 too, or she said it's the one?
Well, just hang what we can here, and then we'll go through the other ones over there.
Okay.
Wow, that's crazy. Okay, you want to start hanging them? I'll hand them to you. That's crazy.
That's
We get like
the first one you pull out.
yeah, amazing. Yeah, she opened them for us over there.
Oh wow, that's
Oh,
awesome.
there's a treasure right there.
This one?
That one, the Dodge. Got the Super treasure hunt. It's a Q case, right?
Yeah.
Now that would have a potential to have a ID, right? I think so. No.
Remember.
And then the Dodge Charger ID. No. Maybe I'm mistaken. It's been so long since we've done a Q case. You see, there's the Charger. No, that's the Custom Auto. Sorry, I was saying. But yeah, Custom Auto.
Oh, this is the first one you had that they let you do something.
I know. I told her I was gonna do this, and she was tickled pink. I was gonna put them up for her. Make sure that, even though it wouldn't be the Pagani, but you never know. That would be awesome if it, were to do too.
That's awesome.
Yeah, so we got 3 more cases to go through. I don't know, I can't tell. I think they're all the same, I believe. I think they're all the same to you. Let's see. There's that nice Sylvia.
I bet these can go
Yeah, you can put those over there. You could probably even, I don't know, move the matchbox maybe to one side or something. I don't know. Once I just put them up there. Yeah, she said she was gonna work on putting them up here soon, and it's like, well, I'll do it for you. That's the first time anybody's offered to bring out a case for me. Like, it's the first time I think at a Dollar Tree. There's that Neville wagon gasser. Definitely a cool color. If we start running rims, you know, we don't have to put them all up. I just told her I'd put up what I could. But we can at least hang this box and then we'll go through the other ones. Might even take another truck. Like that lightning. Okay, and that's yeah. You want to grab our hunts there? Okay, let's follow me. Can't believe it. 3 or 4 more cases to go. One down. Another 2 case. If you want to. Looks like another, yes. 2 of them in a row. 2 supers in a row. Alright. I'm pretty sure, is there not the, maybe I'm thinking of the wrong one.
Yeah, there's probably an ID card. Yeah, I think there is. Because we open these up higher.
Mm-hmm. I think there is an ID in these, so that, let's see there. Look, you see it. Yeah, because see, you got the charger in it. So it might be, look for the Viper. Not that one, we got enough Vipers, so I'm not too worried about the Viper. But, that's crazy.
It's too hot for me. I can't see.
I can't figure out it. Alright, so look through this one there. I think there's a Viper there. We'll leave that one. We'll leave the Viper for somebody else. And look through this one, make sure there's not a ID, and I can't figure out how to get those 2 back in the box. There's another case over here. Right behind that box, you'll see it. We'll pack that one in there. Right back, guys. I need both my hands, so I'm gonna use both my hands, and I'll let you know what I find out of this little Dollar Tree hunt. So far, we've found several treasure hunts, 2 supers. There's the mainline version. Might get one just to compare it. I just don't remember if there's an ID in this one. I'll have to look when I get home. I believe there's an ID, but again, there's a treasure hunt. We'll leave that. You know. But I'll let you know what I find here in a minute, guys. Thanks for tuning in. I'm excited. Alright, well, last case. Alright, open it, love. Let's see what we score.
It's a regular.
No, so the regular Chevelle. Yeah, so there's no super in this one then. If there's, yeah, that's the regular.
You got 2 supers.
Do what?
I don't see an ID on top, so we don't worry about taking it off.
Okay, that's fine. No problem. And that was right there. But yeah, we got, here, we'll show them what we got. Just the regular. I grabbed that Viper off top. So yeah, pretty good success out of a little Dollar Tree. 4 cases, scored 2 supers, a couple of treasure hunts, and a couple of nice mainlines. I wanted some extras of. I ended up leaving 1 or 2 maybe treasure hunts behind, and for all I know, I could have left an ID card behind. I didn't bother to go through the second half of any of the cases, but generally they're all on top most of the time, but I could have definitely passed it up and not even realized it. But let me know what you think about the peg hunt video. We actually went out of town looking for a 2021 F case, and the very same day we go out of town looking for F case, guess what drops locally? You guessed it. A buddy of mine let me know they were dropping the 2021 F case locally, so we rushed back into town and hit up some Targets. So I'll bring you that peg hunt video soon. But thanks for watching, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next video real soon. Take care.